Okay, let's look at applied paper question number 1, which is the collision question. So two particles A and B are given with masses km and m. They are moving along a smooth horizontal table towards each other with 2u and u speeds, collide directly. Coefficient of restitution is E. Just after collision, they are moving with equal speeds in opposite directions. If so, we have to show that Newton's law of, sorry, uh, we have to show coefficient of restitution is equal to this, right? So let's do that part first. Then we have to show inequality, right? So draw the before and after collision diagram. Km, M, Km, M. So this is going to u, this is coming towards Km with u speed, right? So this is before, this is after. After collision, they are moving with same speeds in opposite direction. So we need to find, right? So apply conservation of momentum in this direction to the right. So you get what? Km times 2u plus m times minus u, because that's going in opposite direction. Km Km minus v plus m into v, right? Now you can cancel what? M cancel, m cancel. Then 2ku minus u minus kv plus v. So take u out and let's find the expression for the after speed v. So v is equal to that, right? So we will have to use it to get the e value, e expression, right? So we have that from conservation of momentum. Now apply Newton's law of restitution again in this direction. So then minus v equal to minus e, 2u minus u, 2u minus u. So minus 2v is equal to minus 3eu. So then minus signs cancel. You have that. That's second equation. Now substitute 1 into the second and get rid of v, and you will get the expression sub 1 into 2. So what is v? This one. This expression substitute here. U 2k minus 1, 1 minus k equals 3u. You can cancel u, then divide by 3 and you get the answer. 2k minus 1 over 3 1 minus k. That is what we want, right? Then next part is hence deduce that k is between these two values. So we now have to use this. E is between which two values? Between 1 and 0, greater than 0 and less than or equal to 1, right? So then you can write what? This 2k minus 1 over 3 times 1 minus k is less than or equal to 1 and greater than 0. Then you have to solve these inequalities separately and take the common answer. There's a common section, that will be the answer for k. So first we'll solve this first inequality, which is 2 times 2k minus 1 times over 3 times 1 minus k has to be greater than 0. Okay, before that, now notice e has to be positive, no? So k has to be what? Less than 1. If k is greater than 1, this term becomes negative. So k has to be less than 1 first of all, because otherwise this term will be negative if k is greater than 1. Right, so then use the number line and mark the critical values 0, half and 1. Right, then apply some test values in each interval and check the sign in each interval. So first interval apply 1 over 4, negative over positive, which is negative. Second interval positive over positive, which is positive, and we want the positive interval. So answer for this interval, this inequality is what? This inequality is k is between half and 1. Right, then we have to do the second inequality, this one. Right, let's do the second inequality. So then what is the second inequality? 2 over 3, 2 times 2k minus 1, 3, 1 minus k is less than or equal to 1. Move the 1 to this side. Let's open the brackets. 4k minus 2, 3 minus 1 minus k, minus 1 less than 1. Simplify. 4k minus 2 minus 3 minus 3k over 3 times 1 minus k is less than 0, less than or equal to 0. So then you get 7k minus 5 in the numerator, 3 times 1 minus k in the denominator, less than or equal to 0. Right, so then again use the number line method. 0, what are the critical values? 5 over 7 and 1. 5 over 7 and 1. So use some test values. Half, let's take 6 over 7 in this interval. Substitute half, positive over negative over positive, negative. Substitute 6 over 7, positive over positive, positive. So we want negative, so we want this interval. So the answer is k less than or equal to 5 over 7 and right. So then right. So then the answer is what? Let me write it somewhere here. 0, this between 0 and 5 over 7. So the final answer, you have to take the common part between the two answers. First answer was what? Half to 1. Second answer is between 0 and 5 over 7. So first answer is this section, 0 to 1. Second answer is between 0 to 5 over 7. Then both colors are in this section, so then the k interval is what? This point is included, so that and greater than half. Right. So that's the first question. Next, we'll do the second question.